Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the JMeter folders structure and files. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the setup environment variable for JMeter and download JMeter in our system. So let's begin. First, you need to extract this folder Apache JMeter 5.6.3 and then open this Apache 5.6.3. Inside this Apache 5.6.3, multiple folders are available: bin, docs, extras, library, license, and printable docs. Lib folder contains scripts and executable files to launch JMeter and perform various tasks. If I open this bin folder, if you want to run the JMeter in a GUI mode, you can simply double click on this Apache JMeter executable jar file. Suppose you want to stop or run the JMeter, you can perform this action by this bin folder, and you can perform the various tasks by using this folder. Bin docs all contains files that provide information on using JMeter and its features. By using this doc folder, you can view the documentation that provides the information of using the JMeter. The extra directory for additional tools and utilities that complement JMeter functionality. Lib folder contains core libraries essential for JMeter operation and testing capabilities. The license include license information and terms of use for JMeter. README, if I open this README, a file providing an overview and instructions on setup and using JMeter. By using this README, you can view the instructions and how you can set up the JMeter. Close this. Inside this bin folder, the example folder are available that contains sample test plans that demonstrate JMeter feature and its usage. Here you can view the different folders are available. CSV, and suppose you want to perform the load testing of login page. In this scenario, you need to import the file with the CSV or Excel in which the multiple users and passwords are available. Then you can perform the load testing of the login page. In upcoming tutorial, I will explain how you can import the file and perform the load testing by adding multiple users. Inside this report template provides templates for generating custom test reports. In JMeter, you can generate a custom test report. This templates includes pre-configured test plan templates for quick setup and testing. In this folder, multiple predefined test plan templates are available. Suppose you want to perform the load testing in DB. Here you can view the jdbc.jmx. All files are present with the same extension .jmx. Just you need to import this JMX file in JMeter and you can use this templates. That is for today's tutorial on JMeter folders and structures. In the upcoming tutorial, I will explain the menus and features of the JMeter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to SK World. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.